Hello everyone, this is Riddhi Taude from Gossipanda. Our today's video is about the Apple Music search not working. So let us look at some troubleshooting steps which can solve this problem. First is to check your internet connection. For this, you need to go to the settings and you need to check that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network. If there is any issue in the network or the Wi-Fi is not working, the application search menu would give an error. Second step is to update the application. Make sure that you are using the updated version of the application as it resolves most of the glitches. For this, you need to go to the App Store and then type in the name of the application, that is Apple Music. If there is an update button present, click on the update and make sure that your Apple Music is working on the latest version. Then you have to check for the Apple's music server status. For this, you can go to the Down Detector website on your phone's browser, and over there just write in the name of Apple Music. If there is any down or outage in the application, it would be detected in the website. Then you have to clear the app cache. Due to cluttered cache, there might be some performance issues which would not make the search option work properly. For this, go to the settings, click on general, then go to iPhone storage and search for Apple Music. Then you need to click on the offload tab and the cache will get cleared. Then you need to reinstall your application. For this, you need to long press on the application until it jiggles. Once a short menu appears, you have to click on remove the app and then select delete app. Again, go to the Play Store and reinstall it. A simple restart in your phone can also be an effective step. For this, you just need to long press the volume up or down button and the power button simultaneously and swipe to close the phone. Thank you. Hope that the video has enlightened you with some cool tips and tricks. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel Gossip Funda.